Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create sitting on the street image effects on Higgsfield AI. Now, in case you're wondering what Higgsfield AI is, it's an AI platform that allows you to add or create visual images or visual effects for free, all with the click of a button. So you can create amazing effects here. You can also explore the platform more, but in this video we are going to be showing you how to create sitting on the street on the Higgsfield. So just go to this particular website, click on the Higgsfield area, click on sitting on the street, and you'll be brought to a page like this where the subject or you in question will be sitting, will appear sitting on the street. So you can see various images created using this particular image effect. So you can actually create similar image by clicking on the image you want to recreate, and you'll be taken to a page where you can actually modify this prompt. So on this area, just click on recreate and you'll be taken to a page you can modify this and make it your own. So this is the area for modifications and prompt tweaking. So you can now change the keywords here and make it yours, or you can change the attire, you can change the wear, you can change the environment, the sunlight, you can change whatever accessory you want to change. You can add, you can remove, and do all of that in this particular prompt section. And once you're done, you can click on this area here to change it to basic if you want to, or leave it in high. High uses 2 credits for generation, while the basic model uses just 1. While you can also change the aspect ratio here, and you'll have your image in no time. So these are the images I've been able to create using various effects. So you can recreate this, and once your image is done, you can actually animate it by making it into a video or making it to speak by using this speak option here. And once done, you can download it here. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about the video, and if you have any question concerning this particular image effect, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.